Are your videos stuck in the shadows and you barely getting any views? What if I tell you that there are just simple settings that you need to do in order for YouTube to start recommending your videos? And these settings can be a game changer for your content. Hey creators, and welcome back to Amenya Sphere. Now, if you've been wondering why YouTube isn't pushing out your videos to the larger audience, today is the day that we are gonna fix that. I'm gonna show you some settings that if you do step by step, you'll see your videos starting getting the recognition that they deserve. No fluff, just actionable tips that if you implement right now, you'll see YouTube start pushing out your videos to the larger audience, and your video's visibility will lead your content and your YouTube channel to the path of growth. Now let's dive into the demo of the settings that you need to do step by step. Now go to your Chrome browser, because if you use your YouTube app, you will not get those settings. They are not available on the YouTube app. So you have to go to the Chrome browser. Then type there YouTube dashboard. There it is. Click on it. Continue to studio. You see how the dashboard looks like? So here's where you get the settings that you need to fix. So you come down here, you see the settings icon there. Go to channel settings there. You see the channel settings. We have the basic information, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. So the basic informations, you have to put the keywords of your channel. These are the keywords of your channel. Make sure you put them as many as you can. You see the maximum characters 500. So you can include the keywords in your niche plus some big brand names in your niche. You see, like in my niche is YouTube growth. You see the keywords there, plus some of the bigger YouTubers in my niche. You see them? You can see them there, down there, you see? So after you've done that, you go to advanced settings. You select whether your channel or whether your content is made for kids or not. You select appropriately. And when they ask you whether it's made for kids or not, it doesn't mean that kids can't watch your content. They can watch, but it primarily means that your content is not meant for them. It wasn't intended for them, but they still can watch your content. So you check the box appropriately. Also, you can add automatic captions. You see that? Now, this is what I want to show you. Feature eligibility. This is why YouTube mostly doesn't recommend your videos to the larger audience, because these settings are not enabled. You see the standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. All these have to be enabled, you see? Let's see these standard features. Make sure you enable that. You go to intermediate features. Make sure you enable that, and advanced settings. You see, you enable that. You can read all that and follow the procedure of enabling these features. So let's come here to intermediate features, where you have to verify your phone number. Most YouTube channels have their accounts not verified. So let me show you how you verify your number on your channel. So to verify your phone number, you go to your Chrome browser right there. Then on your Chrome browser, type the URL www.youtube.com/verify. It's right there. As you can see, my phone number is already verified. Now let me show you steps of verifying your phone number if it's not verified yet. First step is where you'll choose your verification method. Here you'll select how you want to receive your verification code, whether through a text message or a voice call. Then after you've entered the number on the field provided, first of all, make sure the number, it's a number that you can access immediately. After entering the number, you'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS or a voice call. So enter the code into the verification field on the page, then complete the verification. Click submit or verify. After that, you'll see a confirmation message that your account has been verified. Now, what are the benefits of verifying your account? If you verify your account, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, which you can't do with an unverified account. Again, you will have your custom thumbnails enabled. You can make your own thumbnails without relying on the automated YouTube thumbnail. Again, your live streaming becomes available. So these are the tips, or these are the settings that you need to do on your YouTube channel so that YouTube will start recommending your videos to the larger audience. So if you found this demo helpful, make sure that you like this video and hit the subscribe button so that you never miss any video that I put out that could transform your channel. And on the comment section, let me know which setting you're doing first. You never know, your next viral video could be just clicks away. See you in my next video.